In this short tutorial, you will learn how to repost Facebook stories easily. Reposting a story means sharing someone else's story on your own story. This is a great way to share interesting content with your friends and family. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap and select the story that you want to repost. Then tap on the share button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now you'll have these options. Simply tap on the share button to edit and share the story to your story. You can move and resize this, add stickers and text, and customize the story as you normally would. Once you've done that, tap on the share button at the bottom right to repost the story on Facebook. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.